Hey guys, it's Carrie. I'm featuring big cats and Indian wild animals today. Lion. What makes a lion so fearless? Fighting different predators? Having to defend the pride's territory from various intruders? Hunting giant herbivores such as buffaloes, giraffes, and even elephants. When they operate together, no animal in the world is safe. Lions have a white line right underneath their eyes, which assists them with night vision. There is a reflective coating behind the eye which helps to amplify the light emitted by stars and the moon. With this help, a lion's eyesight is 8 times better than that of humans at night. They also have a white patch of fur below their eyes, which helps to reflect even more light back into the eye. The female initiates mating by growling. She directs her posterior towards the male and moves a short distance before allowing the male to mate. Copulation is brief, lasting less than a minute, and occurs as often as 3 times per hour. Termination of mating is abrupt, accompanied by some amount of aggression directed towards the male by the female. The male lion's penis has spines that point backwards. During withdrawal, the spines rake the walls of the female's vagina, which causes ovulation. Clouded leopard is a wild cat occurring from the Himalayan foothills through mainland Southeast Asia into southern China. The underparts of the body and the legs are spotted, and the tail is marked by large, irregular paired spots. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Indian civet occurs in most of India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, and south and central China. The Burmese python is the 3rd largest snake in the world. The largest examples can measure up to nearly 20 feet in length. The Indian peafowl is a peafowl species native to the Indian subcontinent. It has been introduced to many other countries. The gharial is one of the largest reptiles amongst all crocodilians. Indian gharials live in clear, deep and fast-flowing freshwater river systems with steep and sandy banks. They prefer sandy banks for the purpose of breeding and basking. They are not terrestrial animals, so this is the only time that they leave the water. The gaur is also called the Indian bison. It is the largest extant bovine. It is native to South and Southeast Asia. It is the largest species amongst the wild cattle. This is an American black bear. You'll see the difference between the moon bear and sloth bear. The Asiatic black bear is also called a moon bear. It is a medium-sized bear species native to Asia that is largely adapted to life in the trees. It lives in the Himalayas in the northern parts of the Indian subcontinent. They have a distinct white patch on the chest, which is sometimes in the shape of a V. They are good climbers of rocks and trees and will climb to feed, rest, sun, get away from enemies, and hibernate. Some of the older bears may become too heavy to climb. Hibernation mainly occurs in the colder northern ranges, although some bears will simply move to lower elevations. The sloth bear. It's a native species to the Indian subcontinent. It feeds on fruit, ants, and termites. It uses its long lower lip and palate for sucking up insects. The Asiatic elephant is distributed throughout the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, from India in the west, Nepal in the north, Sumatra in the south, and to Borneo in the east. It is the largest living land animal in Asia. It is primarily threatened by loss of habitat, habitat degradation, fragmentation, and poaching. In general, the Asian elephant is smaller than the African bush elephant and has the highest body point on the head. The back is convex or level. The ears are small with dorsal borders folded laterally. Female Asian elephants usually lack tusks. They sometimes have tushes, and these are barely visible and only seen when the mouth is open. Pangolin. These animals are shy and will not attack humans. Its defense mechanism is to roll up into a ball and wait until danger passes. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.